Hey guys, today we're going to be cleaning a toilet, and I'm here in Thailand where the water has a lot of mineral deposits, and no matter what chemical I try, it seems like I just can't get this bowl really clean. So I decided to buy these pumice stones, and I had to go online to get them because I couldn't find them in the normal shops, and we're going to see how it does. Okay, we've got our pumice stone here, and it's got a handle. I'm not sure how long this handle is going to last. And I'm getting it wet because I'm told you have to get the pumice stone nice and wet before you do anything. And I'm going to try to start with these really bad stains on the kind of top rim here, and see if it can get these off. And it does not seem to be working real well. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Get this little more water, and I guess it takes maybe a little more pressure than I realized. I feel like I'm putting a lot of pressure on here. And I don't know what kind of mineral deposits these are, but it's really hard to get these off. Okay, let's try some of these other areas. And is it coming off? I don't see much difference. Let's try some of these other areas. Let's try this area here, right here. Ooh. Okay, getting, I think, some results here. Part of it is the shape of the stone has to correspond to the shape of your toilet. Okay, we're getting some good cleaning action here. This is definitely helping down here. Wow, now this is good. I can start to see white. Okay, we're going to pause and let my arm rest.
2 hours later. Six and a half hours later.
After about 30 minutes of cleaning, here's my final assessment. Pumice stones work, and as you can see, my toilet is definitely cleaner than it was. However, it is a lot of work, and you need to put a lot of elbow grease to get all of the stains, especially the thicker stains, and I had trouble getting it 100% clean. I might come back and do a second round. It's difficult to get into angles because even though the pumice does wear down, it's still difficult to get into angles and clean everything. You'll need at least one, if not two, pumice stones to clean. And I think in the end, what I would say is that the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So probably it's best just to not let your toilet get so dirty to begin with. Okay, I hope this helped you to assess if you want to use a pumice stone on your toilet. And we're over and out.